So, can 3D printing fix everything? Well, maybe. I'll explain more coming up. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the Canadian Maker Project. My name here is Ron. Once again, I'm in my studio room. And I'll explain a little bit what's going on here. But I have a little bit of a problem. Have a look at this. This is one of my dishwasher. The area where where all your silverware gets hold. See that big hole right there? See that little hole there? See that hole up there? So over time, this has broken apart. It's a really weird design. It's, for putting your dishes in and letting them drain. So they broke. So I went and looked around online and found different prints for different things. So I found these prints. Now, these I just reprinted today. I'm using a bigger nozzle and hopefully they'll stay intact. But after a week or so, I ended up with these warped plastic in my inside the containers here, holding the knives and forks and everything else. And they're all different ways warped, and they're warped out of condition and everything else. Now, this could be because that dishwasher has a heater under it and heats the water at constant temperature. Even though these were printed out of PETG, my other ones that I have printed were made out of PLA, and they are stable. They're rock, but they're stable. They don't break, they don't crack, they don't do anything. Which got me thinking, well, is that because PETG is more absorbent than water? I'm not sure. And it kind of made me want to ask the question, have you guys ever ran into something like this, where you printed something for an application that was warm and had them warp this bad? I mean, these things are warped to heck. I mean, look at that. Now, to give you an idea, let's just measure one of these sizes, and we'll go look at this size here. So, what's really nice is I got a notch here, so we can actually look at this, and we know what's what. Okay. So we'll open up my calipers. Lengthwise, 68. Height, lengthwise this way. Oops, sorry. 62. Let's get the other ones. So going from top to bottom, where the notch is. Oh, show you guys notch. So the notch is somewhere right there. Okay. So we'll measure up and down right now. That is 69 across, almost 70. And 76 lengthwise. So that's about, I'd say, doing the math on the top of my head, it's about 10 to 15% reduction. But the PLA never did that. The PLA stayed the same in both ways. So when you think about that, in the application, what I'm using this for, have you guys ever ran into that problem? Have you guys ever had something shrink and deform and you're just going, that makes no sense? Yet the PLA never shrinked or deformed? I'm throwing it out to you guys because I'm a little kind of concerned about that, because I want to know what caused it. And if we can't, well, for the instance of this video, I just wanted to put that out to you guys and see if you guys have ever printed out something and not had it work, or B, you've had to print something and it just went sideways. I can tell you right now, these prints are going back in the dishwasher to protect for dishes until we can find replacements of these. Because I've been calling around and I can't seem to get replacements for our dishwasher. So I'm going to have to live with that. But has there been something that you guys printed that has baffled you because you did something like that? Let me know in the comments down below. I love to read them. And to give you guys an update what's going on with the channel, well, I ran out of heat. Our heater broke down, and I am now waiting for a replacement heater. By the time you guys watch this video, we should have heat back, hopefully. But yeah, so all videos have kind of gone on a hiatus or on halt right now until I get the heat and everything back in order. I also got to take down my printers and move everything around so they can replace the heater, because they have to replace the heater, and it's going to be a whole day job. So I don't know when I'll be able to come back and do that episode I wanted to do for a Halloween joke with you guys. But you know what? These things happen, so hopefully we can do it soon. And take care, stay safe, and have yourself a great Halloween. If I'm not able to do an episode till then, so thank you all for watching. Leave your comment down below. I'd love to know more. Anyways, have a good one, and remember, keep on printing. And yeah, comment. I'd love to read what you guys ran into. Anyways, see you on the next one.